Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to start with a new block 4 beautiful birds. Yes, the birds look very beautiful, right? If you take example of a national bird, peacock, it's so beautiful and elegant. In today's class, we'll be learning about features of birds, and we are going to learn the food birds eat, birds nest, that is different types of birds nests, and how birds take care of their young ones. So if you see the content book, page number 28, the first one is common features of birds. Like, we all have common features: eyes, ears, nose, hands, and legs, right? And we are also different from each other. Humans are different, and in the last class, we have seen the animals. They are also different from each other, but we have some common features. So, in today's class, we'll be seeing some common features of birds. Features of birds: animals that have feathers, beaks, and wings are called birds. Yeah, animals that have feathers, beaks, and wings are called birds. They have other common features such as eyes, neck, belly, legs, claws, and a tail. So, these are the common features of birds. Now, if you see, birds are different from each other in the way they look. If you see here, the sparrow and the penguin, they are very different. One is very small and the other one is very big. They are different in their looks, their color, the type of beaks, claws, right? They look different with the way of their colors, beaks, and claws. Some birds have long legs. If you see ostrich here, it has long legs, while some other have short legs. If you see here, duck have short legs. And also the difference is all birds have wings. Why they have wings? That help them to fly. But all birds do not fly. Example, penguin is a bird, but it cannot fly. It flies in the water but not in the air. Okay, so today's learning plan is features of birds. Related to same, we are going to do the volume book also. Features of birds. The first one is circle the picture of the bird. Is this a bird? Butterfly? No. So we are not going to circle it. Rabbit. Rabbit is a bird? No. Sparrow is a bird. So you're going to circle it. The next one is mosquito. It's not a bird. So we are not going to circle it. Then the next one is an ostrich and a duck are birds. How are they different? So we are going to write the answer. And the next one is, how is this bird different from other birds? So we are going to do the volume book. An ostrich and a duck are birds. How are they different? Here if you see, Birds are different from in each other in the way they look, the colors, and their beaks and claws. Here, if you see, the legs of the ostrich are very big, and when compared to the duck, it has short legs, and also duck has webbed feet, and the ostrich doesn't have. So, I'll be giving you the answer of the volume book. You can write it. And how is this bird different from other birds? Right? Unlike other birds, penguin cannot fly, and all other birds fly. And you're going to do the parts of a bird. I've given you the picture in the daily schedule. You can paste it in the notebook and write the parts of a bird. Here, I am going to write eye, beak, body, leg, tail, wing, feather, and head. Complete the work. I'll see you in the next class. Today's class is features of bird. So you need to understand and label the parts of a bird. Okay, children. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.